On the RV as I am starting to explore it, and I'm going to show you something that I'm a little baffled by. Up-down curtains. So this is the only one that actually still works. So I think that's supposed to like let light in and you can see out. And then this one is more light blocking. Yeah, that's how that works. However, then you have to have these like casements here because otherwise they just flop around and they make like all kinds of racket. I've even noticed this one, and even though it's all strapped down, when I walk around the RV, it just goes chunk, 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 chunk. Apparently, universally, people, it's like work, replace these. This one, however, does kind of serve a purpose. So, I don't know. I'm thinking these are all going to go away because I want to take these out. I've seen different things happen with these blinds, simple blinds, curtains, little light curtains. I think one thing that I have to keep in mind is, one, when sun comes in real heavily, you know, that's going to heat your trailer up. So heat is definitely a consideration. See, yeah, getting these to come up so you can look out your window is, yeah, I that's why they're going. I find that there are two types of people when it comes to windows, and I find this for my house too. There are people who like and need to have all their windows completely covered. Every little shaft of light has to be protected because they might have somebody peeping in. And I'm not saying that that's a bad thing. I mean, you don't want people peeping in. That's kind of creepy. And then there's other people like myself, and we have just some slat blinds in our house, wood slat blinds, and we keep our windows open all the time. And we live in a city, so we figure if people want to see our old selves walking around in our underwear, that's, you know, your problem, not mine. We close them at night, but yeah, we like to see the side. We like to see the trees. I like to see my garden. I like to see outside. I like to see the sky. I feel very attached to those things, and I have to think that when I'm in an RV, I want to have the windows open. I want to feel the breeze. I want to see where I'm going. And I mean, if you're in a Walmart parking lot, you want some privacy, but if you're out someplace nice in the mountains somewhere, yeah, I don't want to, this is like way too much work for me. So yeah, I want to look out my window. I want to open that window up and let some air in. So I don't know. I've seen a couple things about, one thing you can do to clean these things is you buy I don't know if I get the letters right, PCV pipe, you know, the plastic pipes. I always get those letters wrong. You know, those plastic round pipes that they use for plumbing. And you get like a 5-incher and caps. And you put, you make them a little bit longer than your longest blind. And you take these off and you put them down in those pipes. And then you fill it with OxyClean and detergent, and you leave them overnight and you swish them every once in a while, and it's supposed to really clean them up. It sounds like a whole lot of work. I don't know, we'll see. I think they're gonna go away. That's, you know, I think maybe a simple little light blocking blind with a little soft little white curtain over it. It kind of sounds more like me, so we'll see. Yeah, the up-down blinds that rattle all the time. Yeah, that's, I don't know. Everything in this thing is a mystery to me, and I'm sure there's a purpose that I don't know or understand, but I just know when we're out and about and we find some pretty sight and we want to look out over the mountains, I do not want to deal with that. No, they don't even come up. I mean, they go up and down. They go up and down. So I guess this is as much as you want to see out. Well, I'm going to keep going out. Yeah, like that. And you people are happy looking out at your view through this. No, know. I want to see the mountains. I want to see the cactus that's out there. I want to see a tree. I want to see a squirrel go up the tree. I want to see out my windows. So keeping people from seeing in and me seeing out, we're going to have to brainstorm that a little bit. So that's mystery number 2. The first one was the mirror thing. The second one are the up-down curtains. So mystery, zombie house mystery number 2. Let me know if you have any ideas or things that worked for you or particular products, and we'll put that in the comments below. Bye.